Welcome back. So let us proceed ahead with our divisibility test. Till now we have checked the divisibility test of 3, 2, 5, 9 and 10. In this video we will look up into the divisibility test of 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Now first of all let us start with divisibility test of 6. Now for divisibility test of 6 students, we have to combine divisibility test of 2 and divisibility test of 3. Remember, why 2 and 3 sir will ask? Because 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So listen to my words, I will write the statement later on. If any number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, then that number will be divisible by 6. There is no direct checking for any number to be divisible by 6. We have to check two other numbers. Which are the two other numbers? The two other numbers are 2 and 3. Okay. So if any given number is divisible by 2 and is divisible by 3, then only we will say that that given number is divisible by 6. And for your reference, when is any number divisible by 2? When it is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. When is any number divisible by 3? When sum of its digits, I am writing in short, is divisible by 3. Okay. So what are the rules for a number to be divisible by 6? I will write it now. If any given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Hope you are understanding the rule. There is no direct checking for divisibility test of 6. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both together, then only we will say that that given number is divisible by 6. Now we will take some examples. 1, 2, 2. I want to check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. So first I will check whether it is divisible by 2, whether it is divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 2? Ending with 2, divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? 2 plus 2 plus 1. Answer is 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Getting me? Okay. Let us take one more nearest number, 126. Divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is ending with even number, divisible by 2. Sum of the digits, 1 plus 2 plus 6, 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. So as you can see, the number 126, it is both divisible by 2 and also it is divisible by 3. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. That means this number will be divisible by 6. Okay, taking one more number, say 3, 3, 3. Okay, divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. But what I told, for any number to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Here in the last example you can see that the number given 333 is divisible by 3. But it is not divisible by 2, so we cannot say that it is divisible by 6. Again, if you see in the first number, the given number 122 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So it will not be divisible by 6. I again repeat, for any number to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible both by 2 and 3. Then only we can take up the things. Fine? I hope you understood the divisibility test for 6. Okay students, now we will see finally the divisibility test of 4 and 8. these are entirely different from what we have seen. Okay, the first thing that I would like to state that divisibility check for 4, directly checking for divisibility test of 4 is applicable only for a number which is having 3 or more digits. Okay, 3 or more digits in the sense this divisibility test for 4 we cannot check for 1 or 2 digit number, it has to be 3 or more than 3 digit number. In the same way, divisibility test of 8 is only applicable for numbers which are having 4 or more digits. So these are different from the other things or the other divisibility test. Other divisibility test we can apply for any number, but for 4 and 8 there are certain conditions. I repeat once more. Divisibility test for 4 or division by 4 is applicable only when the given number is having 3 or more digits. It has to be a 3 digit or more than that. It is not applicable for 2 digit and single digit number. Divisibility test for 8 is only applicable for numbers with 4 or more digits. That means neither it is applicable for 1 digit, neither it is applicable for 2 digit, neither it is applicable for 3 digit numbers. Okay, so these are the rules. Now let us directly go into the set of rules. Rules are very simple. Only we have to consider that division or divisibility test for 4 is possible for 3 or more digit number and divisibility test for 8 is possible for 4 or more digit number. Now, so what are the rules? Any number, any 3 or more digit number is divisible by 4 when any 3 digit or more digit number, we will change the statement. For any 3 or more digit number to be divisible by 4, the last 2 digits of that number should be divisible by 4. Okay, I will give you the example, you will understand better. But first see up the rules. What is the divisibility check for 4? First thing, divisibility check for 4 is applicable only for 3 or more digit number. Any 3 or more digit number is said to be divisible by 4 only when its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Let us take one example. 8, 24. What are the last 2 digits? 24. Is 24 divisible by 4? Yes sir, 6 4s are 24. That means 8, 24 is divisible by 4. Okay? 9, 36. 3 digit number. Last 2 digits 36. Is 36 divisible by 4? Yes sir. 4 9s are 36. That means 936 is divisible by 4. 9 8 7 1 2. Taken a bigger number. 9 8 7 1 2. Last 2 digits 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes. Therefore, this given number is divisible by 4. Okay students, now let us take the divisibility test for 8. As I spoke, divisibility test for 8 is applicable only for a number which is having 4 or more digits. Okay, so first of all I will write a set of rule. For any 4 or more digit number to be divisible by 8, the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, important fact, last 3 digits. So I hope you are understanding in linking the division test for 4. Division test for 4 applies for 3 or more digit number, and what we are checking, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Division test for 8 applies for 4 or more digit number, starting with 4 digit number, and here last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, so this will be a little complicated, but because this rule is given, I am explaining that fact. So I am taking a number 96482. 96482. I have taken a 4 or more digit number. Okay, let us say for first example take a smaller 4 digit number. 6482. So how we will check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not? We will check for the last 3 digits. 482. We do not know to divide directly, so we will check it rough. 482. 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 0. Remainder is coming, that means 482 is not divisible by 8. That means this number is not divisible by 8. Instead of this, suppose I take 17560. Okay, let me check the divisibility test of 8. For more than 4 digit number, last 3 digits is 560. I repeat, last 3 digits is 560. So in the rough, we will check for division with 560. 560 divisible by 8. Okay, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, and 0 will be gone. So 560 is divisible by 8. That means this entire number is divisible by 8. So students, in this video we saw divisibility test of 3 numbers. Which are those numbers? 4, 8 and 6. What was the divisibility test for 6? Any number should be divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. What was the divisibility test for 4 and 8? Any number, regardless of the fact, any number should be 3 or more digit number. So divisibility test of 4 starts with a 3 digit number. Any 3 or more digit number is said to be divisible by 4 only when its last 2 digits are divisible by 4. For 8 it is different. Any 4 or more digit number, it starts with 4 digit number. Divisibility test of 8 starts with a 4 digit number. Any number or any 4 or more digit number is said to be divisible by 8 only when its last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Okay, please rewind and re-see the videos if any part of this is unclear to you. All examples of every divisibility test is actually given by me. We will meet in the next video for seeing the last divisibility test, that is divisibility by 11. That will be all from me for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.